Hey everyone, it's me. Today I'll be playing a new game, Among Us, with my friends Swayam, Aryan, Toast, and Siddhant. So let's get into it. Okay, so crewmate. Let's see. Okay, I'll go to electrical first. Where's electrical? Yeah, and one more thing, I've not played this map. I've only played the spaceship map. So okay, comms is sabotaged. Okay, so first I'll go to electrical, fix the download data. Okay, so I've not played this map. I've only played the spaceship and Myra HQ. I don't remember what's the spaceship's name. Wait, yeah, it happened. So that's the thing. Okay, Tosh left the game, so that leaves only me, Swayam, and Siddhant and Aryan. So let's see.
What happened,
It's
Desmond?
fuzzy. You just waited out right in front of me.
Stop stupidly lying!
Wait, wait,
Stop
wait, wait, wait,
lying!
wait.
He's bluffing 109%. He's lying. It's not me. It's not me.
Swayam,
I
Swayam.
have 100% proof. Can I tell you?
Miraculously appeared out of a
SB,
hole.
No,
SB,
SB, you don't know. I was in laboratory before you. I was there only. I went to the toilet's place.
SB, SB.
Why?
If it's not fuzzy, then pakka you are bluffing and it's you.
Yeah,
No, it's
yeah. Let's
not
do that.
me.
Let's
Oh,
vote fuzzy
liar.
first.
But I'm not voting for fuzzy.
Idiots.
I'm not voting for fuzzy because
Mm,
only three
ending.
people will be left then. So it'll be stupid to
Okay.
vote for fuzzy.
Don't lie.
So I'm skipping.
I voted fuzzy.
I voted for Neil because I knew he voted
Yes.
for me.
It's skipped. Fine. Okay. Be careful of each other and complete your tasks as quick as
I
you
know
can.
it's
Okay.
not you because I ran right into you when I was going through mid.
Swayam,
I knew it was you.
Swayam, it was you.
I knew you just went in front of me.
No, I didn't went. I was just standing there. I actually didn't went. I was just standing there time passing.
Oh, I thought he went in because he came. Shall I start now?
Yeah.
You know, I killed
Yeah.
SB as soon as he said I was safe.
No.
Wait. Why is it? Then why was SB saying that he saw fuzzy event?
I don't know. I
He
was
lied.
done with wiring and suddenly he is there. And that is from the toilet.
Weapons. Where's weapons? I'll go to weapons first. Weapons is down. Wait. Weapons is here. Wait, where's weapons? Oh, weapons is the other side. Okay, my bad. Weapons. Yeah, weapons is over here. Ready? Yeah. Oh shit, lights are gone. Run. Okay, so what happened?
Bro was submitting my scan. Oh, SB is dead.
Okay, can I say
What happened?
something, guys?
Yes.
So
please.
I know that SB is safe. He's dead now. And I
Okay.
know Fuzzy's safe. So it's either what? I'm dead. Me,
Toast is
It's a
moving.
glitch. It's a glitch.
Toast
It's
is
a
moving.
glitch.
There is a glitch.
Quickly,
Guys,
Yeah.
there is a
vote
glitch.
for toast.
Yeah.
Quickly vote for
Toast,
toast.
no name.
Toast
No
is
name.
moving.
Yes. Toast, you have to
Wait.
vote.
No, he can't vote.
No.
You guys can kick him out.
Let's
Kick
kick
him
him
out.
out.
Kick him out.
Kick him.
I voted. No.
It's a glitch.
I
What's happening?
I hate it. Cops toasted like
best
that.
proof. I had the best proof, yaar.
Okay, so I'm the imposter again. Wait, yeah. Where should I go? Let me see where. Where is everybody? Okay, somebody found the body.
Swayam, did you see that?
Okay, yeah. I'm
Did
Hello?
sorry.
you see
I'm
that?
sorry.
What is happening?
Look,
What
I
is
know
happening?
it.
The
I know
body
it
was
may
right in
look
front
sus.
of us.
Siddhant, I know it may look sus, but I walked in and immediately went to the task, and that time I saw the thing.
Wait,
And it's that
Siddhant,
card
Siddhant,
thing
what
scan,
happened?
so-
You were right
Okay.
ahead of me. Who was chasing us? Subse? I know someone was chasing me.
No.
Was it
But
Toast or No
listen,
Name?
listen.
I'm not. I was in the telescope room.
Okay, can I tell something, guys? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's
So
get
me,
to now.
Siddhant saw me do a task.
Okay.
You can confirm that. Hello.
Siddhant,
Creek,
can you confirm?
Okay.
Yeah, he
But
did
now
his
listen.
tasks.
Okay.
Now Siddhant also did a task, but the taskbar moved, and Toast was also there, and the taskbar didn't move when he moved. So my only conclusion is it is
Dude.
either Toast or
No, it's not
there was a
me.
problem with the thing and the
I
task.
have a super big glitch.
I know someone was
I-
chasing me. Like, I was chasing him, someone was chasing me.
Guys,
I'm
can
sus of
anyone
No
hear?
Name because I
Just
never
skip.
saw him
Skip for
anywhere.
now.
I'm
Skip
skipping
for
for
now.
now. So I'm
Skip for
just
now.
stay with me.
Guys, can anyone?
Even I'm
Yeah,
staying
we
with
know
you guys.
each other.
Stick
Yeah,
together
yeah,
so we
Toast,
can finish that.
Toast vote.
Arey, there is some glitch. I can't even see the meeting. Someone is using the mod, yaar. Guys, I can prove my innocence.
Think I'll sabotage lights. Wait.
What the heck, Swayam? You
Wait,
killed
what?
in front You of me. again report. What the heck, Swayam?
Same
What the
body.
heck, Swayam?
Toast.
Wait, what? What
Toast
happened?
is the same body.
Oh
Toast
my
is
god,
the
you
same
just
body.
killed in front of him.
Yeah, I'm sorry,
You
but
just
this is
killed
the
in
same
front of
body.
him.
Yeah, again, this is the same body.
Skip?
It's you, Toast, cause it's you, Toast, again.
Okay,
Oh
Toast.
my god.
We know that.
Oh my god. What a liar. What a liar.
Wait, it's No
Also,
Name.
basically,
Why are
the
you
game
voting Toast?
The game is over. Now it's no name only. You poop.
It's No Name, I told you.
Game is not over. The
It is.
game
He
Shit.
will do sabotage and you will all die.
Stop encouraging
Run,
him.
run.
Run for your life.
Run.
Yeah, I'm
Run.
running. I'm running.
Don't fix the lights. Don't fix the lights. Stay away from the lights and you won't die.
Fix the
Don't
light.
fix the lights.
Jaldi say yes. Good.
No!
We did it. I was purposely doing that. Don't
Aryan, you
because he was blatantly accusing me and reporting the same body.
Toast left.
Because of his anger, he left.
No, he didn't rage quit. He didn't rage.
Dude, Aryan, you just told it was me.
No name, vote.
No Name.
Aryan, yaar.
Yeah, you voted.
I'm taking revenge from you.
Someone is